Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gita Febriani Sukma. I come from Electricity System State Polytechnic of Malang. I will presentation about 150 kilovoltage tower equipment and accessories for suspension tape AA with two circuit line. This is a first slide, transmission tower tape. The transmission tower is an important accessory and the performance of the transmission line depends very much on the design of the transmission tower. According to the angle of deviation, there are three types of transmission tower. One, suspension, two, tension, and three, transposition. For a suspension tower that have a deviation 0 degrees until 3 degrees. Next, lattice tower. This is a picture of lattice tower. The lattice tower construction use a small size steel profile, so that construction of the tower is easier. Usually, designed for a height of 20 until 120 meters. The pyramid-type lattice tower construction is used to transmit electrical energy in a double circuit conductor configuration and commonly used for the suspension tower. And then suspension tower type AA. The suspension tower type AA has insulation in vertical position. And then suspension tower is a buffer tower. This tower almost fully bear heavy power. Generally does not have a turn angle. Generally we see this suspension tower in the form of a pyramid for minimum clearance that is 11 kilometers. And then part of construction suspension tower type AA. First, this is picture of tower foundation. Tower foundation is a refined iron construction that is planned in the ground. That part of stoop that apart on the ground is about 0.5 until 1 meter. Then cement and painted so it doesn't rust easily. And then tower body. This is a tower body. Tower body is the main frame of the tower, which is composed of steel profile, and then cross arm. Cross arm is a place to hang the pass conductor used to transmit electric power. And then cake vertical distance between conductor is a series of the steel profile that have a contained height which function to spare part conductor from one another vertically to reduce losses caused by mutual inductance of each conductor. And the last is peak. The top of the arch wire is the very top of a tower. And then subsystem, the suspension tower or accessory, the suspension tower. There are subsystem primary. This is subsystem primary. There is A subsystem current carrying, B subsystem installation, C subsystem structure, and D subsystem junction. And then subsystem secondary, there are is subsystem protection and subsystem monitoring. And then subsystem primary. A current carrying. Usually in a conductor in SUTT or SUTT instant conductor, in order to have a larger capacity than solid conductor and facilities handling. Type of conductor by material is one copper type conductor or pure copper. This conductor is good conductor because it has high conductivity and good mechanical strength. And then aluminum type conductor like the copper type conductor. lower conductivity and mechanical strength. Type of aluminum conductor, there are 1 ACSR conductor, 2 TACSR conductor, and then the last ACCC conductor. And then this is a table of conductor used for SUTT or SUTET. It can be seen that the use of conductor, it also adjusts to the voltage as well. This is column for a description type conductor, and this is a column of variation voltage. Next, conductor joint. In the conductor joint is a material that have a function to connecting with which are joined by high pressure press. Conductor joint with press of the part of conductor joint is A, steel sleeve, and B, aluminum sleeve, C, steel sleeve ACCC, and D, this is a picture part of conductor joint is aluminum sleeve ACCC. And then picture A, jumper conductor. Jumper conductor is used connecting conductor on the tension pole, and then B, jumper joint is a component that between the jumper conductor and conductor on the transmission line. And then subsystem insulation. In the subsystem insulation in SUTT or SUTET is divided into 3 types. There are 1 ceramic insulation in this picture A, and then non-ceramic. And then non-ceramic include glass insulation in this picture B, and polymer insulation in the picture C. And 3, air insulation or ground clearance around the conductor wire. And then C, subsystem structure. In the subsystem structure, there are 1 tower foundation, and then bracing tower, and the last is tower nuts and bolts. This is a subsystem junction. The following are the subsystem junction. There are suspension clamp, strain clamp, socket clevis, bolt clevis, the angel plate link, square plate, shackle, turnbuckle or span strap, ring adjuster, ball and pin insulation, suspension clamp GSV, and joint GSV. And then subsystem secondary. A, protection. In subsystem protection, there are will be divided into other. The include is protection from lightning interference. There are GSV and OPGW wire, joint conductor, GSV jumper, arcing horn conductor side, arcing horn tower side, another form of arcing horn, and transmission line arrestor or TLA. And then grounding, types of tower grounding on SUTT or SUTET. There are 1 electrode bar. Electrode bar is which a metal ring embedded in the ground, and then 2 electrode plate. Electrode plate which is metal plate in the plane in the grounding horizontal or vertical. This grounding is generally for protection against lightning. And 3 counterpoint electrode with a conductor that is held horizontal in the ground. And then the last mesh electrode, which is a number of which is a number of conductor that are held horizontal on the ground, which is generally suitable for slope area. The grounding rod is a transmission system earthing equipment for function to transmit electric current from SUTT or SUTET tower to the ground, and avoid black flash over on the insulation when the grounding system is hit by a selecting strike. And then protection from mechanical vibration, there are armor root, counterweight, spacer, and vibration damper. And then protection for disconnected conductor. There are repair sleeve and armor root span. And then protection from outside interference that are bullseye. Bullseye is component serve to give a signal to airplane pilots and save about the existence of SOTT or SOTT transmission line. And then aviation warning lights. This is a function to provide a warning citing the form against air traffic, serve to signal to the airplane pilot that there is a transmission line conductor. And then protection from their threats to human. There are anti-clamping device and then hazard site. Next, B, subsystem monitoring. In the subsystem monitoring, there is tower information plate, and then stable. Tower information plate serve to provide information maintenance personnel about transmission line to be maintenance or monitoring. Stable server to make it easier for a visitor to climb the tower. The stable is installed from the top of the ACD along the body of tower to the GSV or OPGW by traverse. And then this is a table of reference for the source of sentences, picture, figure, etc. in this my presentation. That's my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if I said something wrong. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.